Hey guys, and welcome to the first part of my video series about the Alien 5-inch race captor. In this first part I'm just gonna walk you through all the basic parts I'm going to need for this build. And yeah, I managed to order only from two shops, which were Banggood and ImmersionRC itself. And I'm just gonna start with the most important thing, the motors. These are the EMAX RS2205 with 2300 kV. As you can see, they give you about 1 kilogram of thrust when using 4S I think and bull nose props. They are a little bit on the heavy side of the 22 series motors because they're about 30 gram or so compared to a normal Sunny Sky, which are only about 25 I think, or 20. So I'm just gonna unbox one motor. The packaging is really nice for EMAX motors, and there are also a lot of accessories included. There are 3 prop nuts in case you gonna lose one. You also have a lot of spares. There's also an Allen key included in every motor, so I've got 4 Allen keys now. These are some screws which come in handy when mounting the motors to different airframes. There's another set of screws here, and this is the motor itself. You can see RS2205 with 2300 kV. I bought some CV and CCV motors just for safety, and yeah, they feel kind of nice. The wires are really high quality silicon wiring, and yeah, of course the windings are perfect. In some motors you can see some blue glue, which I think they used for balancing the bell. Yeah, you can see it here. There's a lot of glue actually, but I'm sure they're gonna work just fine. Yeah, for ESCs I went with the little B series, of course. These are the 30 amp because I'm planning to use 4S soon, and when using these 3-bladed props they're gonna burst up to 30 amps, and I just wanted to be on the safe side. And yeah, I mean they're kinda heavy. They are 12 grams each I think, but there's a lot of unnecessary solder here and 2 long wires, so I might gonna bring them down to 10 grams I think. But yeah, there's not much to it. Of course I need to update those because they're laying around like 1 month or so, and I bet there's a new version of BL Heli out. Yeah, props. I'm using 3-bladed props as well. These are the DYS ones. I'm not sure if they're branded anywhere. No. But these are the DYS props, 4x4x3. They are claimed to be quite the same as the HQ props, but there's one advantage over them. You don't need to use these silly prop adapters. So this is 5mm shaft on the motors, and you can just stick it on, and there's no need for any adapter. And yeah, they seem to be kind of sturdy and not that much flexible. And yeah, I'm just gonna try those. Maybe I'm gonna buy some HQ props, but for the moment I have a lot of them. I have like 20 pairs of them, so I'm just gonna kill all of those first. The receiver I'm going to use is an X4R. I just removed it from another model, but I'm gonna remove the heat shrink again and desolder all the pins to save a little bit of weight. And yeah, there's not much to it as well. The video transmitter is just ImmersionRC 25mW with a SpiroNet antenna. These are the red ones and not the old ones which don't stay in position. But I kinda like them. They're a little bit big and heavy, but yeah. In this box there's my flight controller. It's a Seriously Pro F3 Deluxe board. I accidentally ordered the Deluxe board because you obviously don't need a barometric sensor like that on a race quad. And yeah, I'm just gonna upgrade this to the latest clean flight version and yeah, use it. So this is the frame itself. I'm not gonna unpack this because it's gonna make a huge mess, but it seems to be high quality. Just from looking at the carbon you can see it's really nice. The FPV cam I'm gonna use is the HS1177, I think it's called. I bought it because this frame is optimized for this cam, so why use another one? And it's cheap as well. And yeah, that's the cam. You're gonna see it in the later videos, so I'm not gonna unbox it even further. So in this box there's a lot of small things you also need for the build. I bought a little bit of wiring. This is silicon wire from Banggood. It's actually really high quality. These thick ones are for my battery connectors and these thinner ones are for the ESCs. You're also gonna need a dust mask when finishing carbon. This is like a brush to put on the liquid tape. And this is actually the liquid tape. Where I live, the liquid tape isn't available. This is from another company and not the actual liquid tape, but it's claimed to work as well as the liquid tape, so I bought it. It's like 10 bucks I think, so there's nothing wrong about it. I also bought a set of files from ImmersionRC. I bought it from ImmersionRC because they would have been a lot more expensive than at the ImmersionRC shop, and I think they come in handy when finishing all the carbon, and actually they seem to be pretty high quality. This is just normal tape, a little bit stronger tape than normal to fix the ESCs to the arms. Another thing which is kind of important with this frame, these screws are not like standard screws, they are lighter screws, and I just bought a set of the hardware pack. Just if I lose a screw, I have a lot of them, and yeah. This is the LED ring from ImmersionRC. I think it looks really cool, so I bought it as well. It's not that cheap, but I think it's worth it. You're also gonna need this Pololu to power your flight controller. This is like, yeah, standard Pololu. These are two extensions for the video transmitter. I ordered both of them because I still have to decide which one of those I'm gonna use. This is an LC filter. I ordered this one from Banggood. I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna use it because where do I have it here? This video transmitter actually has a 5-volt output, and it seems to be pretty clean power. I'm not sure if there's an LC filter built in, but I just wanna try the 5 volts of those transmitters, and then when there's a problem I'm gonna solder in one of these LC filters. I really recommend them because they are really cheap at Banggood. I ordered a set of 3 for like $5 or so, and yeah, I'm gonna need it for my other FPV project. So this is like the cable from ImmersionRC for the HS177. I ordered it because it was like less than $1 I think, and I don't want it to crimp one myself because it's really hard I think, and I thought it to be a lot shorter because the Alien is not that big, but yeah, gonna look how it fits. So that's mainly it. In the next video I'm gonna build the quad and show you everything, how everything works. And yeah, so stay tuned.